Hey, it's Brian from Collabware. Today I'm going to be showcasing 3 scenarios for a traditional use case within our EM software system. For this use case, let's say each department needs to submit a budget plan for the upcoming quarter for approval. Once it's approved, the budget will be marked as a record and its lifecycle will be managed based on its associated retention policy automatically. Scenario 1 will place a record under records management control. Scenario number 2, we're going to manage the metadata of that record throughout the lifecycle. In scenario number 3, we're going to go ahead and dispose of that approved electronic message record. What you'll see on the screen now is a traditional SharePoint site. This is my Human Resources business group, and on the left side, you'll see my document library associated. I'm going to go ahead and hit Management, and as you'll see here, I've got 3 existing Q1 budget plans, so I know I'm in the right place. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open my Outlook, and I'm going to show you how to get my new quarter budget into SharePoint without ever having to leave Outlook. On the left side here, you'll see the email. It's got the budget approved as an attachment. I'm going to go ahead and select Management again. This is mapped directly to my SharePoint library as a favorite within CollabMail. Now that I know I'm in the right spot, those same 3 previous plans are there. I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it directly in. It's going to ask me to confirm a couple metadata fields, and again, this is all configurable in the implementation. I've entered fiscal year 2019, and there you have it. Everything looks good. That's all I need to do. The document is now in SharePoint. Now to prove the workflow worked, I'm going to go and open SharePoint. I'm going to hit refresh, and there you'll see the document's been uploaded. It's now under records management control. Here I am back in SharePoint in the same Human Resources Management document library, and now I've selected the record I just dragged and dropped in from CollabMail, and I've selected Lifecycle Details. Here in Lifecycle Details, it'll give me options around how to manage the metadata of the record. If I go to Audit, I'll be able to show the workflow state, which is the class and retention we've associated with this record. You can see here, I've built a custom workflow to manage this record in a draft state. What I'd like to do now is update the record from draft to final as all budgets have been approved. I simply click the record and edit properties. Here on the screen, you'll see all the associated metadata with the record and a drop-down that we can pre-configure to show multiple different states. Here, I'm going to move the record from draft to final, and I'm going to be able to do all of this back in that same Outlook interface, CollabMail. I've selected final. My work is done. I'm going to save. There you have it. This record is now marked as final, and all updates will have taken place in SharePoint and CLM as well. If I go back to the record and view my lifecycle details again, you'll see here it's now marked as final, and a new workflow retention has been created. Here in my budget plan document library within SharePoint, I'm going to go ahead and select the same budget plan we were working on in scenario 1 and 2. I'm going to select the lifecycle details, and I'm going to investigate the retention workflow status of this particular document. You'll see here that this document has been set to a 5-year retention once it's been marked final. We fast-tracked this for demonstration purposes, and now that it's met its retention, it should show in my disposition review list in my CLM Administration Manager. If I go ahead and select review lists, there's one showing. I'm going to start and select the list manually, and my review will begin. As I view my list, all documents that are currently up for disposition review will show in this particular form. I can select all, or I can select one or two. It doesn't matter. The idea is, though, to make sure you check out this content before you start your review so that it cannot be accessed by anyone else with permission. Now that I've checked out all documents for disposition review, I'm going to fast track my review and hit destroy. All items that have been assigned to me are now complete. I'm going to go ahead and start, and it will produce a disposition certificate for me to show for audit purposes. As you'll see on my screen, it'll show that the review list has been completed, and I've assigned all 8 items to be destroyed. Here's my disposition review, which will show a full audit history of the documentation. Your disposition is complete.